So just grabbed a handful of cellulose fibre insulation here. It's more fire retardant, more vermin retardant than anything else on the market. But just to show you how fire retardant is, I've got a little burner here, and I can actually put that on my hand and burn the insulation. If this was a house fire and the fire was up in the roof, this is the only product that can assist to stop the fire attacking your beams or spreading down into the house. It's the only product that won't recede away from a flame, and so you can see here, like oftentimes you can get a coin, a copper washer or something, put on the insulation, and it'll actually melt a copper washer on top of your hand like this at about 50 millimeters. So that's pretty fantastic if you have a look at that. And if we take that away, it's got a 0 flame spread rating. If that was a fire up in your roof, this product can help to put it out or stop it spreading. And if I break that apart, you can see in there that that's as deep into there as it's actually burnt. And so we install it in your roof to 100 millimeters, and so, but even at 40 or 50 millimeters like what's on my hand here, it stops 100% of the heat. None of the other products on the market will do that, so that's why I swear by the cellulose fibre insulation.